Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a group on Telegram app. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Telegram app. Now at the bottom right, you can see the pencil icon. Click on that. Now at the top of the screen, you can see the new group option. Tap on that. Here, you can select the people that you want to include in the group. After you've selected, tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can give a name to your group, and if you click on this camera icon, you can select the group photo. I'm just going to leave it for now. Here you can see auto delete messages option is off, but if you want your messages to automatically delete in certain period of time, you can choose from here or set a custom time too. But for now, turn off auto delete messages. Finally, tap on this tick icon at the bottom right corner. Now your group is created. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.